guys, Matt, Kate, Irontrap Garage. We are going on a little road trip. Not really a road trip, but our buddy Jamie and Kelly, they have a really cool garage and house and homestead, if you will, in Linfield, Pennsylvania, right near the
nuclear power plant.
Yeah, it's like you literally drive right against the power plant. It's pretty crazy. Anyways, he's got a really cool shop that he just built a huge addition on. They got chickens, they got cute dogs, they got old cars, and they're really fun. Wednesdays, they kind of do like an open house thing for friends where the gals drink wine, hang out,
Weed the garden sometimes, and we tinker in the garage and whatever. Jamie said he made something for me since last time we've been over, so see what he made. And we're just gonna hang out and check out his shop and all the cool stuff he's got going on in there. Thought you guys would dig it. So we're gonna go a few minutes down the road and we'll let you check it out. All right, so Jamie and Kelly kind of call this, what, Linfield Farm, or Linfield Garage, Linfield Farm Garage, and it's because they got like a cool little setup here with they got free range chickens that are basically like pets, and we love them. They're awesome, and Looks like they're out.
they are out, I think. Oh, there's one. Look at him. Look at him. What's up? They're super cool. They are like pets. These are not birds that get eaten. These are birds that make eggs, and they got a cool little garden going. Really cool setup. And this is Jamie's paradise. So he has a little place like I do where he spends a lot of his time working, and he's an international harvester guy, early Ford guy. He's got neat stuff all over the place. Super cool tractor. Old Ford.
Not Colorado, dang. Vegas. I went to Vegas.
Oh, Vegas.
I literally just got that
Oh.
yesterday.
What's up?
What in the world are you doing?
All right, you saw it before me.
Yeah, I found your present.
What? Dude, that's awesome. Killer, cut with the homemade plasma table, I'm guessing, right?
That's right.
Is it made with real fresh vintage barnwood?
Make vintage pallet wood.
It looks cool. That's awesome.
Nice.
Is it powder coated or what's the painted?
Eastwood paint.
What? Sponsorship? This is like way beyond me. I'm working in caveman times. with a torch and a butter knife and a spoon here. But let's see, you got the cutout there. That's killer. Sweet. So down here in the bottom, he's got a plasma cutter that he uses. It's all set up, and it's got like a tracks here that runs the actual plasma head, but it's just a normal plasma cutter like you would buy, not high frequency, right? That was part of your initial problem you were having. Is
That's right. You
so,
ready?
yeah, I'm ready. We're gonna cut this skull. Skull. Killer.
There you go.
That's
Still
so
smoking.
So you have some stuff in here that I found and passed on to you, right?
Yeah, I've gotten a few things from the Matt Murray collection.
Well, no, the that deal I passed on to you for crazy deal for metal fab stuff. Remember?
I do remember.
Yeah. So I was.
All these green machines.
Yeah. So I was at an estate looking at some stuff, and a guy was like offering all this old metal, not old, just barely used metalworking tools, and it was just stuff I like the true vintage stuff on the bigger machines, but stuff was all brand new, and it was like, I don't even remember. It was so cheap. I was like, I know a guy that'll buy it.
Yeah.
And
yeah, that was me.
That was Jamie, and I passed the deal on. So this is really kick-ass stomp shear that he got in the deal, and I saw. Oh, you got this.
Notcher. Yep. We got,
You got the
notcher
notcher.
here.
And the stuff had all the instructions with it. I mean, what was it? Maybe used like a couple times.
Not much.
Yeah.
Not much at all.
And then there was a slip roll. Did I see that?
Slip roll's gone.
Oh, he made his money back on the slip roll. Is that what happened?
Yeah, I sold that over.
Nice. Good man.
And we got the brake.
Yeah, so I'm always passing deals on because I come across so much stuff, and Jamie made out really well on this. And he got a cool little box and pan brake as well that is awesome. So I don't even have a stomp shear in my shop. I'm being freaking picky. But he got a really cool setup here that is definitely making life easier. This is Chicken Nugget. What's up, chicken nugget?
You should have picked a friendlier chicken.
Scout's the friendliest, right?
What's up, everybody?
Yeah, so there's
They're like, we're trying to sleep here.
Lucy and Maverick and Goose and Scout. There you go.
This just made Kate's life. She's been bothering me for what, 2 years to get chickens.
Yeah.
So we come here and just get her fix.
This might push you over the edge.
I don't know if we can have chickens in town.
Big bird.
Hi, baby.
Buck, 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 buck.
She's like, can I go back to sleep? Thanks.